What's up, guys? Kirby Smith, Lightspeed Construction. I want to thank my entire crew today, but especially want to thank Sandy. Sandy, thank you so much for having us out to work on your home today.
Well, thank you for doing this. I am so excited. I have been living in the dark for quite a while now, and I don't like it. Now this is just like a brand new day, and I'm so excited. Thank you so much.
Well, you get to enjoy more of what you already had, which is light on your roof. Now you get to bring it into your home and enjoy the light and not be in the dark.
And I have to say that I heard about you from my girlfriend, and she raved about how great you guys were and what a good job you did, and she did not lie. You guys
Pam's
are
awesome.
terrific.
Pam's awesome, yeah.
So, thank you.
So do you want to tell folks what kind of we accomplished? Just mainly focus on the skylight or sun tunnels. I know we did some other things, but mainly just focus on kind of what and how and when and everything.
Well, the sun tunnels were what I wanted, and you came in and put them exactly where I wanted. It does exactly what I thought it would do. Then you offered to put flooring in my attic so that I didn't have to worry going upstairs. Then you
Thank
fixed
you for
my
reminding
roof.
me. We've got the OSB. Yep.
Then you fixed the roof on my patio so that now I can go sit outside in the morning with my coffee and my Bible and enjoy the day out there and not have to worry even if it's raining.
It'll make a pretty good wine garden out there too on those rainy nights. You don't have to worry about it leaking and everything. I know you've seen some of it. Let's take a look. Is Puff okay to come out or
Yep, she's
let her
good.
out? Okay.
Yep.
You okay, sugar?
She's
All
a
right.
good girl.
Come on. You want to come with us? All right, come on, guys.
Yes, thing.
Keep the camera rolling. Yep, thank you. So, guys, we're coming down.
Come on, Rob.
So I know we've got some before, during, and after pictures, but this is mainly what we're looking at. If you want to spin it around, show folks real quick. Sun tunnels, we got 2 of them installed. We guarantee they're not going to leak. Sandy, they really look cool on the roof. I don't think it really disturbs the eye or nothing.
Nope. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy.
Yep, so on our box, I'm gonna just go ahead and read through what it says here. Seamless flashing, obviously we're flashing it to the roof there so it doesn't leak. I know that's important to you, and
Yes.
we talked about that. The other thing, it's gonna light up to approximately 200 square feet. So we added 2 sun tunnels in there, and it's approximately what, maybe 400 square feet in there, something like that. So I think we're kind of hitting that number pretty well. We went ahead and decided to put the diffuser in as
Yes.
well to kind of spread the light out and sort of maybe make it, maybe spread the light out to where it's not so shiny, right?
Yes.
Velux does an awesome job manufacturing and building products that we love to install and make it real easy, and they make us look real good with the fact that their gear works every time. We also had to bring some sun tunnels through the attic space, right? So we went up in the attic, we installed it from the ceiling, then we installed it from the roof, and we put basically the additional sun tunnels in between. And that's kind of a wrap. We should be done here, within the next hour and out of your hair. And,
Yes.
and yeah, but
And you got it done earlier than what I expected.
yeah.
That was the other big blessing.
6 feet away, by the way. I'm told there's still some
Yes,
sort of
that's
no, high five. Thank everybody.
Thank
Appreciate
you,
you guys
thank
for
you.
watching. This has been a lot of fun. We enjoy these kind of jobs. If you guys have any sun tunnel needs, any roofing or any gutter needs, call Lightspeed Construction, right?
Yes, absolutely. Call Lightspeed Construction. I
And-
totally guarantee that they're the best.
Thank you guys very
Thank
much.
you.
That's a wrap. Thanks so much, Brian. Appreciate it.